Okay guys, we're going to walk down towards the sea now. Just on the magic crystal rock garden. See that in the last video. So we're just having a walk down. As soon as we get around the corner you'll see one of the best views, I think, coming down when you finish going on your trip,
I'm not
Marcus.
drunk.
And all the apartments up here. There's quite a lot if you think about it. Probably have 4 rooms a level. There's just a little fire on one of the outbuildings up at the Crystal Park there. So we're just up by the Benny Cactus. You see the brown building over there, that's the Benny Cactus. Another one, if you've got mobility problems, it might not be the best. It's not too much of a climb up there. I think there's steps up there. So if you can do the steps, you'll get some great views from up there, I'm sure. And the police coming up now. Lots. Probably shouldn't have filmed them actually. Oh yeah. A few shops in here on the bottom level. Right, we're trying to get across the road to share the view. I need to be across the road again, mate. It's not a really good day on the beach today, but when that's blue, it's a brilliant view from up here. Could be old time Benidorm, really. Yes, it's pretty rough down there. There's quite a bit of wind today. Plenty of people on the beach still, but I believe yesterday it was calm flat and really blue. Be a bit careful, I've got sandals on now. Not a lot of grip left on these ones. Sorry about the wind on it, guys. It's really not as bad as you think, but sounds bad on camera. Wild duck bar there. Before we get down to the bottom. I think that on that bike down there would be good. That was the solar generator. Going well then, wouldn't it? Hope you can see that, guys. Get the bike going, wouldn't it? Right, I'm going to go this way and hope there's not too much wind. The work going on here. I don't know which apartments they're doing upstairs or what. Got the restaurant there. It's not very helpful to the restaurant. But hey. And we come up here. And the hotel I was on about the Benidorm is that one in the background of the greenhouse. I don't know how else you explain what else you call that. It's just a greenhouse, isn't it?
Solitarium.
There we go, Marcus coming up with a posh word. Say that again, Marcus.
Solitarium.
Solitarium.
Oh, it's kicking off in Benidorm.
Some all gone up?
Yeah, police van and police car.
Yeah. So that fire probably, I don't know, maybe been started deliberately. Nadal there, that's the sister hotel to the Benidorm. Now that's a good hotel. If you are, you know, you can't walk up steps and stuff, that's right on the ground. I don't know if you can go in there to get to the Benidorm, to be honest with you. I should imagine you could.
Possibly.
Yeah, because
possibly.
I know they share the pool. And the what? What's it called again?
Solitarium.
Solitarium. Sounds like it should have animals in, doesn't it? Oh, I'd have never thought of that one. Hold on, Marcus.
Then across the war bunkers down the beach.
Yeah, I'm not going down there because I've got sandals on.
Not a car gone up.
There's definitely something going on up there then. It's up at the Crystal
Magic Rock Gardens.
Magic Rock Gardens.
4 engines were up the back, I believe.
We've had a little fire up there, I don't know if somebody set it alight, deliberate or what's going on. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. If you want to see more from Benidorm, watch the ones coming up in the card. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, I'm sure more of you have. It's about 75% of people who watch us so haven't subscribed. At least they're doing the decent thing and watching. Brilliant. See you in the next one guys. Bye.